What's going on, everybody? I'm in Sedona in Arizona with my buddy Ryan, and we're just gonna get after it today. Let's go. What are we doing?
Devil's Bridge. What are we doing? Where are we?
All right, everybody, we have arrived in Sedona. We are doing the Devil Bridge hike today. We had a couple bevies yesterday, to say the least. So we're hungover, but we're gonna do this anyways because we're not gonna let a little hangover ruin our day. It's beautiful. Ryan, anything to say?
It's beautiful out here. Let's have a great day.
Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, how far do you think we are right now? Probably a mile in.
Yeah.
All right, we're probably a mile in now. We got the hangover sweats going, but other than that, there's really not much to complain about. It's like 80 degrees, maybe.
Yep.
80 degrees, sun's out. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. A little green, green. All right, we're headed down now. It was so windy up there. The bridge is actually a little wider than what we had thought. So it wasn't too bad getting out there as far as like being scared of heights. But the wind just makes it does make it a little scary. Uncomfortable, yeah. Because of, you're just trying not to get blown off. So yeah, it was cool though. What do you mean by that?
We don't push the limits as much as...
It's true. All right, everybody, that was just a short little video of the Devil's Bridge hike here in Sedona. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Peace, everyone.